Hello everyone, and today I'm preparing taco at home. This is a homemade taco and it is a very simple taco, a very simple version of taco, and kids really love it. So here I'm preparing the filling. For filling, I have taken 2 tomatoes, 1 small onion, 2 mangoes, and 1 avocado. And I'm just mixing it so well. And I'll be adding some lemon juice and a pinch of salt and black pepper. And we'll just mix it well. So here I'll be spreading sour cream all over, and then I'll be adding some cheese, and after that I'll be adding the filling which I have prepared, and you can use a good portion of it, and then on top of it you can add some more cheese. So after adding 1 slice of cheese, I'll be just microwaving it for 20 seconds to 25 seconds, and the taco is prepared. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.